let's check out the school decibel. It's really loud. So let's walk around and then let's go back to my classroom. Right now it's 88 decibel. It's really good. It's still loud though. Usually my classroom is like 90, 94 on average. I just tested it out. It's really loud. 94 decibel. I don't want to listen to that all day, but outside it's still loud. Let's see. Let's walk this way. Okay, it's a bit better, I guess. So, I'm gonna make my way to the library because I'm bored and I don't want to eat my lunch yet. I hope it's open. Okay, here's a bit better. 81 decibel, I guess. A bit better. This is the library school decibel at 60, 62, 72. I think this is a really good decibels. I wish my classroom was this loud. There's almost no sound here except little talking then and there, but I wish it was this decibels. And then I'm gonna compare this decibels to my school classroom. So there we go. Okay, this is decibel outside. There's actually a lot of students here, so I'm not surprised if the decibel goes high, but yeah, it's really high. Oh wow, 100 decibels. I was not expecting that. Oh my goodness. The video is glitching. Uh-oh. I don't know if you can tell, but it's very glitchy. The video's glitchy. I'm gonna see if I can eat something or not today. So yeah, it's very glitchy. phone just right outside the store that sells stuff stationery. It's going at 94 decibels. That just happened. Wow, on average 88 decibels. I was not expecting this because usually outside it should be this loud. Also got some little snacks to eat on. Oh, they're lagging. So on average is 89 decibels. Wow, that is very loud. Okay guys, we're in my classroom right now and it just went up to 104 decibel. It's quite loud, but I wouldn't say it is loud, and something I have to deal with every single time I come to school and listen to this. I can't wait for this to be over. It just went up to 95 decibels, which is awful. And there's someone playing music in the back. Like, I don't want to get copyrighted, but yeah. We can add location to it. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and look at the decibel. Bye guys.